Srinivasa Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematicians of India. Ramanujan's contribution to the theory of numbers has been profound. He was indeed a mathematical phenomenon of the 20th century. This legendary genius of India, regarded to be India's and in fact world's brightest mathematician.
Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your Rupa and welcome to my channel PARU'S AKSHAYA-PATHRA. And today we are going to discuss about the most important person, that is our legendary personality, our Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan.
In India, the National Mathematics Day is observed on December 22nd every year. It is celebrated in order to honor the birth anniversary of the famous mathematical genius Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, India, died on 26th April 1920, Kumbakonam, India. At the age of 12, he had gained knowledge in trigonometry, and without anyone's help, he had developed his own theorems and ideas. Do you know that at the age of 15 only, he obtained a copy of George Shoebridge Cair's Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics. He had spent his childhood days in great difficulty and poverty. He used to borrow books and read books from friends in school. When he was young, he took up the job of clerk to meet the economic needs of the house. And when he gets the time, he used to solve mathematical questions and worked on various types of theorems. This collection of thousands of theorems, many presented with only the briefest of proofs and with no material newer than 1860, aroused his genius. Having verified the results in Cair's book, Ramanujan went beyond it, developing his own theorems and ideas. In 1903, he secured a scholarship to the University of Madras, but lost it the following year because he neglected all other studies in pursuit of mathematics. After marrying in 1909, he began a search for permanent employment that culminated in an interview with the government official Ramchandra Rao. Impressed by Ramanujan's mathematical prowess, Rao supported his research for a time, but Ramanujan, unwilling to excess on charity, obtained a clerical post with the Madras Port Trust. In 1911, Ramanujan published the first of his papers in the journals of the Indian Mathematical Society. His genius slowly gained recognition, and in 1913 he began a correspondence with the British mathematician Godfrey H. Hardy that led to a special scholarship from the University of Madras and a grant from Trinity College, Cambridge. Overcoming his religious objections, Ramanujan travelled to England in 1914, where Hardy tutored him and collaborated with him in some research. His life changed when Professor J. H. Hardy, a professor of mathematics at Oxford University, recognized the true potential of Ramanujan in the letters he had sent to him containing dozens of new formulae, which were then thought unsolvable. In Hardy's words, "The letter had defeated me completely. I had never seen anything in the least like them before." With absolutely no formal introduction, he managed to prove groundbreaking results in number theory, infinite series, elliptic curves, and continued fractions. Some of his results, including the Mach theta function, Ramanujan conjecture, etc., are still being studied by mathematicians across the globe. For his works in mathematics, he became the second Indian and one of the youngest to be elected into the prestigious Fellow of Royal Society (FRS). His life has been portrayed in many documentaries and books. Some of the prominent ones include The Man Who Knew Infinity, written by Robert Carnegie, which was later made into a film with the same name. Several awards have been named after him, including the Shastra Ramanujan Prize, which is given to top mathematicians under the age of 32 who have made exceptional contributions to mathematics. In England, Ramanujan made further advances, especially in the partition of numbers, the number of ways that a positive integer can be expressed as the sum of positive integers. Example, 4 can be expressed as 4, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. His papers were published in English and European journals, and in 1918 he was elected to the Royal Society of London. Do you know one of the interesting fact about the number 1729, which is known as Hardy Ramanujan number? Because when Ramanujan was ill and hospitalized, Hardy visited him while he was coming to hospital in a cab. That cab number was 1729, and as soon as he saw Ramanujan, he was discussed about 1729 number as it was a very boring number, but immediately Ramanujan replied, no, it was very interesting number, as the smallest natural number which can be expressed as sum of cubes of two numbers in two different ways. For example, 1729 can be expressed as sum of cubes of two natural numbers, that is 1 plus 1728, that equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube, or similarly it can also be written as 1729 equal to 1000 cube of 10 plus 729 cube of 9, that is 10 cube plus 9 cube. And it will be very difficult for you to find out any other number which can be expressed as sum of cubes of two numbers in two different ways. So it is particularly an unique property of 1729, and it's called Hardy Ramanujan number. Like this, many of his contributions to mathematics, f of ab equal to summation n tends from minus infinite to infinite a power n into n plus 1 by 2 into b power n into n minus 1 by 2. Ramanujan left behind 3 notebooks and a sheaf of pages, also called the last notebook, containing many unpublished results that mathematicians continued to verify long after his death. The museum is located in Chennai, carries many photos of Ramanujan's home and family members, along with letters from his friends. This is the collection which is a result of the effort by late P.K. Srinivasan. Late P.K. Srinivasan was a renowned math teacher. It is a hard effort of his to collect Ramanujan's pictures, letters, etc., which is used in the museum dedicated to telling Ramanujan's life story. The government declared 22nd December to be National Mathematics Day. This was announced by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26th February 2012 at Madras University during the inaugural ceremony of celebrations to mark the 125th anniversary of the birth of the Indian mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. On this occasion, Singh also announced that 2012 would be celebrated as the National Mathematics Year. The basic aim of celebrating such a day was to foster scientific temperament among the youth and encourage them to take baby steps in the world of mathematics and explore its application in the spheres of economics, science, and other disciplines. In 2017, the day's significance was enhanced by the opening of the Ramanujan Math Park in Kuppam in Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like the content, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and share it to your family and friends. Thank you.